free step-by-step ranking plan. Watch this.
Right here is your Google My Business. Your website gets plugged into your Google My Business because there's a place in your Google My Business where you add your website, right? Now, in your Google My Business, make sure you use real pictures. Don't use stock photography. And also use video. I think it's real important to have. You want to supply Google with all the information that they need so they know that you're a real business. Now, your website, if you are a plumber and your Google My Business category is plumber, then everything on your homepage should be about being a plumber in your area, right? So people have questions, your website should answer the questions. I say website on-page optimization, you make sure that you're optimized for the word plumber. I can't really get into this too much, but what moves the needle is traffic. And I'm just giving you the most basic caveman way to do it. Go on your phone or go to your Facebook group and ask people in your area to do a search for you on their mobile, on their desktop, and when they scroll down and find you, click your link, right? So we get 100 niche citations. I get them from Bright Local. That's where I like to get my citation. We also post articles on social media like Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn, and Web 2.0s like Tumblr and Blogger and Weebly. And we go to your Google My Business and we go to the posts section and we post 5 times about the keywords that we're trying to rank. Then we get some geo and industry specific backlinks. Those are the most important backlinks that you could get.
If you'd like to work with us, please call us. My numbers are right here. We'll be happy to work with you. We do a free local SEO evaluation for your website. Thank you, guys.